Welcome back to ComTechPedia, where we break down all things tech so you can make smarter decisions. Today we're diving into the world of VPNs, a virtual private network that enhances your online privacy and security. IPVanish versus NordVPN. Both of these VPNs are designed to protect your privacy, secure your data, and give you access to geo-restricted content. But which one is better for your needs? Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just trying to stay anonymous online, we'll go over the key differences, their strengths, and which one is the better choice. Oh, and before we start, there are links in the description for both IPVanish and NordVPN. Check them out for exclusive deals and free trials. Let's jump in. Each round will focus on a specific aspect of the VPNs, allowing us to compare them in a comprehensive manner. Round 1, pricing and value. Let's start with something we all care about: cost. IPVanish keeps things straightforward, with plans starting at a wallet-friendly $3.99 a month for a yearly subscription. What's fantastic is that it offers unlimited device connections, so whether you have 5 gadgets or 50, one subscription has you covered. Plus, some plans even come with free cloud backup storage, which is a nice bonus. NordVPN, on the other hand, starts at about $3.50 a month for its 2-year plan. While slightly cheaper, it caps connections at 6 devices, which is fine for most users but might feel restrictive if you have a lot of devices. However, NordVPN justifies its price with extra premium features like advanced malware protection and Double VPN encryption, providing you with a fortress of security. Winner: if you're looking for unlimited device connections and simplicity, IPVanish is your pick. But if you want advanced features and a polished experience, NordVPN is worth the slightly higher price. Round 2, speed and performance. Speed is one of the most important factors when choosing a VPN, especially if you're streaming or gaming. NordVPN is a powerhouse when it comes to speed. Thanks to its proprietary NordLynx protocol, it consistently delivers some of the fastest VPN speeds on the market, even on long-distance servers. This makes it ideal for streaming 4K content or playing online games without lag. IPVanish performs well for short-distance servers, but uses older protocols like IKEv2 and OpenVPN. This means it's reliable, but can't quite match NordVPN speeds, particularly for long-distance connections. Winner: NordVPN takes this round with its superior performance and next-gen speed technology. Round 3, security features. When it comes to keeping your data secure, both VPNs do a solid job, but they cater to different levels of security needs. NordVPN is loaded with advanced security features, including Double VPN, which encrypts your data twice for extra protection. Threat protection is a feature that blocks malware, trackers, and ads, even when you're not connected to a VPN server. Obfuscated servers, which hide the fact that you're using a VPN, making it perfect for restrictive regions. IPVanish focuses on simplicity, with features like AES 256 encryption is the industry standard for secure data transmission. Scramble, which helps you bypass VPN blocking firewalls. A strict no logs policy ensures that your online activity isn't tracked or stored. While both are secure, NordVPN takes things a step further with its additional privacy and malware protection tools. Winner: NordVPN, especially if you're looking for extra layers of security. Round 4, streaming and geo-unblocking. If your main goal is streaming geo-restricted content, both VPNs can help, but there's a clear winner here. NordVPN reliably unblocks major streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. Its speed and consistency make it perfect for binge watchers who hate buffering. IPVanish is suitable for general browsing and security, but struggles with some streaming platforms. It can unblock Netflix, but success varies depending on the server. You might switch servers more often to get access. Winner: NordVPN is the go-to choice for consistent, hassle-free streaming. Round 5, user interface and ease of use. Both VPNs are designed to be user-friendly, but they approach it differently. NordVPN offers a polished app with a map-based interface that's functional and visually appealing. It's easy to use for beginners while offering advanced options for power users. IPVanish keeps things simple with a straightforward list-based interface. It's not as flashy as NordVPN, but it's easy to navigate and does what it needs to do, making you feel at home with its simplicity. Winner: NordVPN offers a sleek, polished experience. If simplicity is more your style, IPVanish is a great option. Round 6, device compatibility. If you have a lot of devices, this one's for you. IPVanish allows unlimited devices. connections, making it ideal for families or people who manage multiple gadgets. With one account, you can protect everything from your phone to your smart TV. NordVPN limits connections to 6 devices, which is fine for most personal use cases but may not be enough for larger households. Winner, IPVanish dominates this round with its unlimited connections. Final verdict, which VPN is best for you? At the end of the day, both IPVanish and NordVPN are excellent VPNs, but they cater to different needs. Choose IPVanish if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN with unlimited device connections. You want straightforward security and reliable performance. You're okay with occasional challenges when streaming. Choose NordVPN if you prioritize speed and advanced security features like threat protection and Double VPN. Streaming is a must, and you want consistent access to platforms like Netflix and Disney+. You prefer a polished, intuitive app experience. Both VPNs offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out risk-free to see which one best suits your needs. And that's it for today's comparison of IPVanish versus NordVPN. If you're still undecided, check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts and free trials. Thanks for watching ComTechPedia, and as always, stay safe and secure online. See you in the next one.